Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to verify a Bitcoin transaction in Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, find and open Bither application on your device and type in a PIN code to get access to your wallet. Now, go to your Settings tab, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Here, click on Advanced Options. After that, click on Network Monitor button and click on Blocks. Scroll through the list to find the transaction you want to verify. You can identify it by date, amount, or recipient address. Look for the confirmation status on the transaction. It will typically indicate how many confirmations it has received. More confirmation means the transaction is more secure. And that is how we can verify a Bitcoin transaction in Bither Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.